Same time, same back channel.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
I'm Skinny Kitty.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and
We're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Wow, we're doing a pretty simple one today, huh, buddy?
Very simple. In fact, we just got back from the store, and check it out. So this is all the fixings for what we're going to cook today, which is
we didn't get the salt. We didn't
salad.
get the
Don't talk over me. Chicken salad wraps. Now you can talk.
Okay, we didn't get the salt and pepper from the store, but we got all this other stuff from the store.
Right. We did.
We had the mayo, and we had...
We had the mayo. That's it. That's it. The only things we had was the mayo and the salt and pepper. We got the celery, we got the low-fat Greek yogurt, and we got some tarragon, fresh tarragon, and this is mayo that's kind of hiding behind the tarragon.
light mayo, and then the butter lettuce, which comes growing.
It does. It's a live lettuce and a rotisserie chicken. So we're going to show you how to make some cool chicken salad wraps from this, what is this, 6 ingredients.
Yep.
And we're going to start with the ingredients. A part of the ingredients, I got my celery stalk. Kevin's got the rotisserie chicken, got it right out of the market. It's already cooked, it's steaming, ready to go. I'm going to chop up the celery because we need 4 cups of celery. Not a lot of intricacy associated with that. So I'm just going to get to going. Kevin's going to walk you through how to handle the chicken, the roasted chicken.
So we're just going to take it out of here. And this particular recipe calls for chicken breast. So we're just going to pull away the leg and the thigh. You can have those at a different time.
For those that aren't familiar, can you walk us through what parts are the white meat on a chicken and what parts are the dark meat?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. So the white meat is the wing. A lot of people think that the white meat, the wing is dark meat. It's not, it's white meat. And so is the breast. That's this whole piece here. The leg and the thigh are the only piece of dark meat. The white meat, it tends to be a little drier, a little less juicy, but it's also lower in calories, less fat, blah, blah, blah. And the dark meat is a little juicier, a little more heavy duty in calories. So in this particular recipe, calls for, you take the skin off typically, and it calls for chicken breast. So you basically just pull the breast away from the center bone, the sternum, on you and me, and we just pull it away, and there's one little bone in here, gotta pull out, and then the other side. Same thing, just put your finger right down, see that little cartilage in the bone there? Yeah. I'm gonna cut it up, and I'm gonna turn on my scale because it calls for 1.5 pounds in this particular recipe, so we'll just let it do its thing. And I'll chop it up so that it's small because, again, we're doing it in like a chicken salad is the idea, so it's going to be chopped up. It's probably going to take, I'm guessing it's going to take all of this chicken before it's done.
Yeah, 1.5 pounds. Yeah, the whole chicken was probably only 2 or 3 pounds with the bones and everything.
Get a little bone out there. Okay, so let's see.
The benefit of chopping it up is you get rid of all the bones.
Wow, that's not too much stuff. Look at that. It's only a couple of things.
So like we talked about in the ingredients, we got the chicken, we got the celery, we got the tarragon, we got the mayo, and we got the Greek yogurt.
Right.
And we're going to add the salt and pepper to taste. But we're going to basically toss it all together. So I'll start by mixing it up. And I'll mix it with my hands.
Can I put all this stuff in there now?
And well, let me start to mixing it a little bit so that it gets a little evenly distributed.
Sure?
Yeah.
Your hands are clean, right?
My hands are clean. My hands are clean.
Okay, now here comes the tarragon. This is the tarragon.
Okay.
Going in.
Good. That looks good. Mixing that up. It smells a little bit like licorice.
Do we want to put the salt and pepper in now because it's drier, or?
It's up to you. I don't care. There's probably a rationale
over there.
There's probably a rationale for that, but we're figuring it out as we go.
Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
That's a lot of pepper.
Keep mixing. All right, that's. I'm gonna do a little bit.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do a little salt.
Now the thing with salt we talked about before is you can always salt it more later to individual tastes. So you want to go light with the salt.
Okay, well here comes in the gooey stuff.
Okay, all right, ready? I'm ready.
Here comes the gooey stuff.
All right, you might as well give the other stuff at the same time.
This is the mayo.
Okay.
So here's our lettuce. We pulled it right off those balls that you saw. And each leaf just came right off.
Yeah, now this...
I'd like you to zoom in on this, but my brother's got to go over there and he's got dirty hands, so
The recipe calls for 5 lettuce leaves each. We got butter lettuce, and there was barely really enough lettuce.
One head might have served one person, a little more than one person.
Yeah, but it was tough because the leaves get smaller as you get closer
Yeah.
to the middle.
Now's the time, the truth test right here.
It's a wrap. Yeah, baby.
Dig in.
All right, let's dig in.
I don't know if this is such a good idea, but we're gonna try it because we each get about half, so there's pretty liberal serving size on your lettuce because again, we get basically half of this each.
And I'm trying to go faster than my brother so I get my half because he's gonna take my half if I'm not careful. Yeah, we should cheese it up. The recipe doesn't call for this, just to be clear.
This is just a taste.
But yeah,
Cheese it up to taste.
Give me a little cheese. And we put a little salt on there so we know if it's not salty enough or it needs a little more pepper, we can add some more after the fact.
Okay.
All right.
Well, it called for 5 leaves and we got it on 4.
Yeah.
I think we'll be okay.
Right, for sure we'll be okay. You ready? I'm gonna go in. I doubled up my leaf when it was a little, it was a
Look
little
at that.
thin.
Look at that. That's a lot of meat.
Mmm.
You know, you were complaining because my mouth's full, but you were complaining about our pepper. I think we'll be all right.
Yeah, it's good. So if you want to try this at home, it's a perfect summertime recipe. And it doesn't take a lot of
Yeah.
ingredients. I think it was 6 ingredients, right?
If you want to keep it light, you can keep it on lettuce. If somebody else wants to put it on a piece of bread, they can put it on a piece of bread.
Yeah, I think you definitely want to cut the celery in a little bit finer chunks than we did. We're not chefs. We just play one on TV. So if you try it, let us know. Send us a private message. But don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, hit the post notifications, turn on the subscribe button, and give us a big thumbs up. Until next time,
Brothers Bistro, out!